In this video, I'm going to show you how to create internal links in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so internal links let you jump from one part of Google Doc to another. This is especially useful for long documents like reports, manuals, or even books. Now, step one, we can go ahead and add a bookmark. So we're going to use a sample document with these 3 chapters. Now, for example, chapter 3 here, the hidden treasure. We want to go ahead and scroll down and click in front of that chapter like so. Now click onto insert, and then we want to click onto bookmark, and that's going to place a bookmark here. Then click onto bookmark, click onto the bookmark. But first we need to highlight the text. So click on the text and then press Control K, or for a Mac, it's going to be Command K. So Control K. And now you're going to see, if I scroll down again, we want to click on headings, bookmarks, and tabs. Now we want to go ahead and link this to a heading. So I need to come back up here and format this to heading. So I'm going to click on to format, headers and footers. Now I'm going to make sure this is all set. So I'm going to click apply. So select chapter 1, the mysterious map, then come up to the top. Now where it says normal text, I want to give this a heading. So this can be heading 1. And you know what, I'm going to make these other heading ones too. So they're all heading ones, 3 heading ones. If I come back here, highlight chapter 3, and then click on, make sure to highlight it. Control K. Now headings, bookmarks. So I want this to link to chapter 3. So if I click onto here, click onto that, that's going to link back up